Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about four journal which are multidisciplinary journal. So two journal which are paid and two journal which are unpaid. Before proceeding, I would like to tell you that this is my channel gomstechtalks, whereas in that channel you can find a playlist called SAI Scopus Index Journal. You can find SAI journal, Scopus Index Journal, Annexure-I, even UGC CAR journal in that playlist. Okay, it is nearly 44 videos, you can find it, and all the videos are will be I talked about various different journals on different domain, various subjects in these videos, so you can watch it if you want. So every almost all the domains have been covered, like starting from education, civil engineering, all engineering based, like computer science, ECE, triple E, and social sciences, everything. So you can find it here. So today we are going to talk about Scopus indexed multidisciplinary journal. So the first journal is what? International Journal of Service, Science, Management, Engineering and Technology. So in this homepage, in the Scopus homepage itself, you can find that what are the scope of this particular journal. Okay, so multidisciplinary engineering, computer science, business management, accounting, everything. And you can see that this is since 2017 to present, and this is an IGI global publishing journal. So let us, if you click on this source homepage, it will redirect you to this page. Okay, so here you can find the information. So on the first page itself, they have told like they are charging nearly $2,300 as an article processing charge. So 2,300, in the sense it is nearly 1,87,528. So there will be some funding agency who will be offering you the charge. Okay, and there will be like you can also have your domain based researchers who are around the world who can contribute to your research. Okay, and there will be some waive off, so you can just send them that if you have any specific need for your waive off, like why you couldn't waive off, in the sense they'll be reducing the charge. Okay, so you can just send a mail that is that possible to waive off. Okay, so this is all about this, and this is the submission to the acceptance. They will take approximately 9 to 13 weeks. Okay, for acceptance itself, and acceptance to publication they are taking 8 to 12 weeks. So 6 issues per year. Okay, so this particular journal is publishing six issues per year. So you can, if you can afford this price, you can try this, or else we have next journal to check for, that is Saints Malaysiana. Okay, this is also multidisciplinary journal, and this is since 2006. So let us go and check this. If you click on the source homepage, you can find that this is the link for that. Okay, so here they have mentioned 1500 MYR. So 1500 MYR will nearly comes to 26,000 rupees. Okay, so you have to pay this once the paper is accepted, and this journal is publishing 12 issues a year. Okay, so that you can go and check in the, yeah. So this is, see, you can see here that in 2022 itself they have published every month, right? So 2021 you can see, December, November, October, so it's nearly 12 issues a year, and they are charging 1500. Okay, MYR, which is a Malaysian currency. And here you can see what are all the subjects they are just of a domain they are just concentrating on: earth science, health science, life science, mathematical science, and physical sciences. So apart from that, you can go and check on the guide of the author to know about the submission guidelines, and you can find how many pages it is acceptable, and you can find the template here. Okay, everything is available in the website itself. So let us go to the next journal, Quiet Journal of Science. So here, this is a free journal. Okay, That is, you can submit your article. If your article is accepted, then that is, you don't want to pay any cost for publishing this journal. So here you can see that publication in the journal is free of charge. Okay. And you can find what are all the scope they are covering: mathematics, computer science, physics, statistics, biology, chemistry, earth and environmental science. So if you want to check for the archives, like how many issues per year, they should have mentioned here. Yeah, January, April, July and October, so 4 issues per year. And they haven't mentioned anywhere like how many days they will take to process the paper, that is your article. You can just send a mail to this ID and check. Okay. So this is for the quiet journal of science. So here if you just go and check for instructions to authors, they will tell you like what is a template or how you have to design. So here you have a copyright form, everything will be mentioned here. Okay, you can just find some useful information. And here they have shown like how many days it will they are just checking. So similarity means the plagiarism. Okay, it should be less than 25 percentage. And once it is done, they you have to submit the copyright form after 7 days. Okay, whatever it is, even it is rejected they'll be telling you, even it is accepted they will be telling you. So it is fastest one. Okay. So let us go and check for the next journal, which is Journal of Scientific and Industrial Research. This is since 1994, and this is multidisciplinary. If you click on this journal source homepage, you can see that this is the link. Okay, so even here they are not asking for any charge. So here you can see that does not levy article processing charges or article submissions charges. So great, and you can just go and check how many issues per year. Okay. So if you click on if they haven't mentioned anything like how many issues they'll be issuing per year, so you can see that even they are issuing 12 issues per year. Okay. And even if you wanted to find more about this journal, you can go and check for author. Sorry. So this is about the author. Okay. So if you couldn't find more information about it, you can just send a mail to this particular journal and ask more about it. Okay. So I think you can sign in here. Okay, you can sign in here and find it. Hope you find the video useful. If you want to know about any specific subject, please leave a comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. So before submitting your journal, please cross check. Okay. So you have to come to the Scopus site website and cross check here before you submit it. And you leave a comment if you know any specific journal which is under Scopus, or if you have already published any journal in the Scopus. Please leave the journal name in the comment box. It will be helpful to every researchers. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.